Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Pick a striker with high dash and at least 70% stamina, because speed decay will ruin the dash. Once ready, hold the movement stick slightly forward. This biases trajectory while avoiding full straight-line predictability. Make sure sprint is on, then charge the dash input for about 5 to 8 seconds. This primes the mechanic. Finally, release and tap dash once to trigger zombie dash. This short burst keeps momentum, but requires precise timing to land correctly. Once the dash begins, you must manage trajectory with micro adjustments on the joystick. This controls contact angle and avoids defenders. At about 1 to 2 frames after the initial burst, press a skill button within roughly 2 seconds to chain a skill link. This turns the dash into a lethal move. Make sure to monitor stamina. If it falls under 40%, stop and reset, because low energy reduces speed and increases failure chance. Practice these middle steps to make the dash consistent and repeatable. You finish by converting momentum into a shot or dribble. If space opens, use a finesse. If you have room, go for a power strike. Once done, evaluate why any attempt failed. Most issues come from overcharging or input lag, so reduce charge time by 1/10 of a second and try again. Make sure controller sensitivity matches your micro adjustments and record runs to compare timings. That way you'll calibrate inputs and fix inconsistent zombie dash executions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.